I'm rolling out with Scott right now. I think he's going to try to get some wheelies on this thing today. They had to do some modifications to the bike. They had to cut the bags and cut other few things, whatever, so that it wouldn't, I don't know, scrape the fender or whatever, like the bags would touch before he was at balance point. So he got some of that stuff done. He's still waiting on some parts. He got that new exhaust. I think it's Bassani or something like that, but he got the new exhaust and some other things, but he's still waiting on like bars and like a chain drive and like stuff like that before the bike is super dialed. But anyway, we're still going to go out today and see what we can do about getting this thing up to balance point, man. Here's attempt number 1. He says it keeps doing just fat burnout. Yep. Hell of a burnout, baby. That's crazy, dude. It really does just bust loose that tire.
Wonder who that's the most complicated thing I've ever wheelied.
Oh no! Poor Scott. He needs reverse. I think he's got a little bit of a coolant leak here. They could have taken him through the dirt. It's now that we got everybody, I think we're going to a spot. We're going to a spot down the road here to see if Scott can bring that front end of that bike up. And then Matthew here got a new seat. He's got a Saddleman seat, I think it is. So it'll help hold him in and help him get that wheel up off the ground so he can seat bounce better. My end. Dude, that was so dope. I think Scott's having a little trouble getting the front end of that thing to come up. I don't know if it's the bars or the tires, or you know, he's just not used to it yet. But yeah, that back tire just keeps breaking loose. God. That's crazy. I wonder how these other dudes get these bikes to hook up. Maybe Scott doesn't weigh enough. Maybe Scott doesn't weigh enough. Oh, shit.